Howdy, partner. Fall is in the air, and that means it's about time to get the pool ready for the winter. In this video, we're going to walk you step by step through different processes that you need to do to get the pool ready for the winter season. And that's going to include cleaning it, shocking it, and most importantly, adding this new product from Aquastrong called WinterGuard. These neat pills float on the surface and go down in the water and slowly release chemicals that help to stabilize and clear your water all season long. Let's show you how to get that winter water ready. Let's go. Season's done, so that means, unfortunately, time to take all the nice fun pool floats and everything else out of the pool, get everything out of the bottom, try to pick up the leaves, and just kind of get everything ready for the winter season. Whether you're going to cover it or not, it's time to get this stuff out. Once you've gotten everything out of the pool, you also want to go ahead and clean the bottom or empty your cleaners if you have that. Now, leaves always fall in the fall, they fall. And what happens is this releases a lot of tannins and other sort of organic material into the water, and that does no good. So it needs to be almost an everyday type thing that you're going out, emptying your skimmer, and making sure to keep the water free from debris. If you're not covering it, it's really important to keep it clean. Next step you need to do 24 hours before using the WinterGuard is you want to go ahead and shock the pool. So you can use the typical bags of shock that you get at your pool store, and you want to go ahead and do the right amount and then let that go through a filter for 24 hours, and then we're ready to introduce this great new product. WinterGuard is a neat new product from Aquastrong, and what it does is it helps to clarify the water, it prevents scales, it'll keep that green away when you get that sort of green algae from water not having all the proper chemicals in it throughout the winter season, and it also helps to avoid stains. Now, it's an eco-friendly proprietary blend that comes nicely packaged with all sorts of instructions and everything else. And basically what it is it's these two pills. And these are really small, nice, easy to handle plastic pills. They're large enough that they should not get sucked up by any sort of pool cleaner or anything. And we're going to show you how you place these into the water to get it started so they'll slowly release chemicals throughout the next few months. So when you're ready to apply, you want to gently shake to mix up the formula, and then you're going to remove this cap. You want these release ports to face down when you set them in the water. So we got the orange one ready, and it's going to sink to the bottom. If you look real closely, you can see a little bit of the blue vapor coming out of that one, which is pretty neat. And the one on the bottom, the orange, is also slowly releasing. That's really it. You're going to let these slowly let out those chemicals. Again, make sure the pool is clean, make sure you've shocked it, and everything else. And this is going to keep that water nice and crystal clear all season long, so that when you're ready for the spring, it's not such a big job. We've all had it come out and the pool is really nasty from the lack of chemicals and everything else. This is supposed to do a good job. So we'll update this video in a few months and show you how easy it is to open them up in the spring. But I hope you enjoyed this. We have a bunch of videos on this channel showing how to do basic pool maintenance, as well as a bunch of reviews on pool cleaners and pool chemicals, and even Aquastrong pump install, which we're really happy with and is still working great. Again, if you like this video, be sure to like, comment, most importantly, subscribe for more great home how-to tips and tricks. And realize videos, if I can do it, you can too. Thanks for watching.